Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's time to hit the stock market. Market up or down? It was barely down, and that's what we have. So let's check the brokerage account and see how we're doing. And bam, we sold on a down day. So the market does not have to go up for you to make money. Just know and understand that, okay? Price here, 110.95. Let's update our spreadsheet. I can't see these numbers to save my life. Okay. And we'll see here the profits. So month to date, 1105. Pretty good. Our goal is 13. We have a few more days this month, and everything's looking good. So what's the next step of the trading plan? Do you have it written down? Reverse snowball. So the only position we have left is in US. So let's check and make sure it's not under the 30 RSI on the daily chart. And it is not. Okay. So now what's the next step? Make sure you write these things down. Screener, right? So I've had this thing up, so I'm going to refresh it. You may see something different. It's going to update in 2 minutes. I'm not waiting 2 minutes. Sorry about you. But nothing on here, so that is it for the public account. So if you're new to investing, just exit the video here. Leave a like on your way out, and appreciate it. And have a great evening. Now for the rest of us, we're going to dig into the main account, and what you'll notice is that the market did a whole lot of nothing today. But there was still some opportunity, and I was able to pull money out of the markets, and we'll go through exactly what we did. Get rid of that little guy. All right. So up the brokerage account. I did start the new brokerage for the day trade stuff. The numbers will be a little wonky, but we will go in comparing against the benchmark starting next month. So hopefully I can get all the positions moved by then. That is not up to me. That is up to the markets. Looks like a pretty slow day though. But yesterday, right at the end of the day, Nucor had earnings, and I don't know how it ended up doing, but let's take a look here. Yeah, I don't know, but I caught it up here after hours on good earnings. So let's type it in and let's see exactly how we did. We bought it on the 12th, so we've only had it less than 2 weeks, a little over a week. And I'm curious because you're kind of going blind. I couldn't see an RSI, right? So, but I think we did pretty good on it. It's a nice slow moving stock. It's a boring stock, but I love it. I made 6.15% on the move. May get us to charity today. I don't think so. It was kind of a slow day, but we'll see. So annualize that is 203.91%. So that's a triple. Triple your money every year. You'd be very rich. Very, very fast. So it still never hit, but it was way up here. It was 171. So right up here at the golden line after hours, and I just took it. So I always do one sweep pre-market and one aftermarket, and you'll be surprised some of the crazy prices you can get. Going through, we got a dividend from McCormick, and I did a little boo-boo here on Chesapeake, so we'll get that in there. I was doing the baby positions, as you know, and this hit the screener. So you can flag it. And I saw I had a position, but it's hard when you got multiple things going on. I was working on the eBay stuff, and I bought it again, but it's small size, so it's fine. But where's it even at? It's CHK. We bought it when? July 16th. It's not even on here, so be a good opportunity to go ahead and get the spreadsheet back up to date too. Oh, that was pretty good. All right, where the hell's my calculator? Grab that sucker. Get the spreadsheet up to date. But it did turn into a pin, so you could see it wasn't on the screener when we just looked. So I'm definitely up in the position since the pre-purchase, and things are moving in the right direction. So that is important. All right. In other news, we had OCSL, which was our last flip trade on the books. So, beautiful move. So we're looking for the swing trade to set up. If it doesn't for a while, that's cool. Looks like we've got some holes in the spreadsheet over here too. Ozark did sell back in the day. So let's make sure we check on OZK as well. What's going on here? Like it was a swing trade. Me. During the great liquidation here. 7.5 to the 11. This would have been an older one. It says from June 14th. So let's take a look. Looks like on the 18th it sold. Had a double up of June. So we'll go ahead and get that up to date. And sometimes what happens is I'll sell it, but then I'll buy it again the same day, and it's easy to miss them. It really is. And I think, well, how stupid. You don't even know how much money you made. Well, it's not so easy. So this is my double check here, my catch-all, so I'll know. Right now, all we have is some swing trades and some old positions that are needing to go on the flip side, and on the swing side, we got pretty much the whole market. So other than that, we did have a little bit of activity on the day trade side. We had silver, which is really running, but it was actually a buyer. Got a little lag here. Down here. And I think we're on the 1 hour where you can see it better. Yeah. Buying all through here. Looking for the run up. Oil came in too, and Oil's been running a little strange too here on the hour, but you can see we had some opportunity here as well. So nice quiet day, but we did make some money, pull some money out of the account. And all we have left to do now is go through and look for swing trade entries or sell orders that we need to put in. And we'll do that and get on with our happy day. I am here live on Twitch, so if you have questions while I'm doing the uploads and all the fun stuff that goes along with it, I'm happy to answer questions and just chit chat. But if you're on YouTube, let me know how you did. What are you getting into? You know, the market's going through a sideways pattern. Are you still taking advantage of the markets? Or are you lagging? Most people underperform the market, so you got to be real honest with yourself if you're doing good or if you need to change something. That tap was so close, it almost hit. We got BMO, little D coming in, BBWI. All right, some of these are fixing to set up, but you see a lot of sideways, right? So we're stuck in the chop here for McDonald's. Disney fell off the cliff. But that's why we have this position sizing set the way we do, so that we don't go too big on any one position. And we have money to play the other ones. So Nucor can go downstairs. Good move. We'll navigate the lag a little bit. Appreciate the patience on that one. If you're still here, throw me a like. I appreciate that. And make sure you're subscribed if you're new. I've got this week where I've got a little extra time. Tomorrow will be a little funky. But if I have time and I'm looking at the markets, I'll be here live on Twitch. And eventually, it'll be more of a regular thing, I think, unless I'm traveling. I'm going to start traveling. And I'm not going to travel all the time. I'll get bored of it. 76.23. This is an entry here on Starbucks. Looks like we have a bunch of entries here on Starbucks. So, probably not something to get too excited about. But let's take a look and see what we got here. $76.26 is the closing print. That's what I put my order in for. Let's see what happens. Placed, no fill, but we'll just let it ride. We can go ahead and take off the flag. It's already beamed for a sell there, so all good as far as that goes. Hawaiian Electric's going back up there. I would love to see that thing go to about 24. I would be so freaking happy. And that's exactly why I have a strategy the way I do, where I'm not interested in taking a short-term loss. I'm a bag holder for sure through and through. Most people think that's a really bad thing, but it just fits me. So you'll have to make your own decisions in the markets, but this is what works for me. So happy to share and bring awareness to the markets. That's the whole deal. People are scared to death of the stock market. So it'll be nice and quick here. There's not a whole lot down here. We did get one entry, which is nice. We sold one and bought one. So, you know, we're rinsing and repeating, using the same money over and over and over again. And That's how you turn a little bit into a lot of it, you know. And then after that, it goes into investing account, and and then you can build some long-term wealth. But most people, they're too broke to even think about investing. They don't think they are, but they are. It's a nice chill day, so we'll cruise through this sucker and call it. Let me know if you need anything from me, and appreciate y'all for watching. We're just gonna cruise it. I gotta let the thing load. And I think that's down to the bottom. There it is. So thanks y'all for watching. If you made it to the end, drop me a like. I'd appreciate that. And make sure you're subscribed if you're new here. And have an awesome evening. Do it up, do it big. Take advantage of life while it's slow during the summer. But also be prepared because this market can heat up in the blink of an eye. So, with all that being said, I'm going to close her off. Have an awesome evening. Catch you later.